of China, I had to do many jobs. I had to do IT, had to do advanced feasibility study where we'd have to adjust the part, make it steel safe conditions, and make the mold strong. And now we do the same thing. I've done this job for 38 years now, 10 years almost in Changsha alone. It's like very fulfilling because I work with a team of guys, the Chinese people. They are all very interested to know what I have to share, my knowledge I get. As far as specialized machining which our company has to offer that was noticed by one of our suppliers is our 5-axis high-speed rotary tilt machine, which is a rotor's design. It was the first one he ever had seen in China. As far as Changsha's intelligent manufacturing, our company has gained a lot of experience and expertise in intelligent manufacturing. It's a lot more updated today since the last 10 years that I've been here. Because the nature of automotive exterior lighting, there's so many part changes. It's hard to keep up, keeping your 3D design matching the newest, latest customer part. But with our design system, we just splice out the old data, put the new data in, boom, everything updates. By developing our software with a good library, we can design a lot more efficiently. I am sure 100% that other companies of Changsha are doing the same thing. Other competition in Changsha, other companies, they're looking at it and seeing how things are done, put together and built. So they're going to also do the same thing to improve their ideas of how they manufacture.